Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Lab Putty is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys on the market, offering a unique sensory experience that captivates both children and adults alike with its fascinating texture and properties. This isn't just any ordinary putty, it's a scientifically formulated compound designed for exploration, stress relief, and creative play, making it a standout choice for anyone looking for a tactile and mentally stimulating activity that can provide hours of enjoyment and a welcome break from the digital world. Number 5. Original Stationery Sweet Sprinkles Ice Cream Slime Kit. Discover a world of imagination with this delightful slime kit. It's designed for kids who love hands-on, creative fun. Create your own fluffy slimes with an exciting ice cream theme. Everything you need is included for a fantastic DIY experience. Enjoy a rich sensory experience with delightful scents and vibrant colors. It's like making real desserts, but even more fun. Looking for a unique gift? This kit encourages imaginative play and creativity, offering a wonderful break from screens. This DIY craft kit is perfect for family bonding. Work together on a creative project that enhances teamwork and coordination. What we like? If you love all things sweet and crafty, this is the kit for you. It offers a delightful ice cream theme with dessert scents, making slime creation a truly sensory experience. Choose this if you're looking for a fun, imaginative activity that smells as good as it looks. What people say. This putty is great for keeping small parts from rolling away. It's very sticky and holds things in place well. I used it to hold a small screw while I was working on a delicate electronic device, and it worked perfectly. Number 4. National Geographic Mega Slime and Putty Lab. Get ready for an explosion of fun with 8 amazing varieties of slime and putty. Explore magnetic, fluffy, glow-in-the-dark, and more. This kit offers a fantastic tactile experience with pre-made options and a DIY glow-in-the-dark lab. It's the perfect STEM gift for curious minds. Everything comes with 8 handy storage tins to keep your creations neat and tidy. This lab inspires a lifelong love for science. Dive into the fascinating science behind these squishy substances with our full-color learning guide. Learn incredible facts about slime and putty. Our non-toxic formulas are quality-tested and 100% safe for everyone. It's a great STEM activity for kids and adults alike. We are dedicated to providing high-quality, hands-on science toys. Enjoy an exceptional experience with our products. What we like? For the ultimate slime and putty enthusiast, this kit offers an incredible variety. With magnetic putty and glow-in-the-dark options, it provides endless exploration into the science of squishy substances. If you want a comprehensive and educational experience with lots of different textures and effects, this is your best bet. What people say. The putty is easy to use and holds its shape well. It's great for small repairs and crafts. The putty is non-toxic and safe for children. Number 3. Original Stationery Dinosaur Slime Kit. Embark on a thrilling adventure with our Dinosaur Slime Kit. It's designed for boys who love imaginative play and offers exciting glow-in-the-dark slime activities with cool dinosaur themes. Unleash your creativity and step away from screens with this amazing slime kit. It comes with various slimes, including glow-in-the-dark and glitter options, offering endless fun for experimentation. Surprise a young creator with this Dinosaur Slime Kit. It's the perfect birthday gift for boys who enjoy hands-on exploration, crafting, and discovering new things. Make playtime more exciting with slime that glows in the dark. This kit includes special components to bring your creations to life, boosting the fun and engagement for kids. Get everything you need for an awesome slime-making experience. This kit includes containers, activators, and themed accessories for a truly immersive and fulfilling play session. What we like? Unleash your inner paleontologist with this roaring good time. It features a cool dinosaur theme with glow-in-the-dark capabilities and unique colors like lava and dino poop. If you're looking for an exciting, imaginative slime kit that appeals to dinosaur lovers, this one will definitely dig its way into your heart. What people say. The putty is easy to use and holds its shape well. It's great for small projects and crafts. The putty is non-toxic and safe for children. Number 2. GirlZone DIY Slime Kit Egg. Jump into the GirlZone cakes and sweet treats slime egg and create deliciously fun slime food like donuts and cake pops. This awesome slime making kit egg lets you explore the world of slime baking with tons of creative flair. Get hands-on with this slime kitchen kit and keep the screens away for hours of tactile play. Whip up slime donuts and ice cream treats to enjoy sweet cake adventures that are both relaxing and inspiring. Spark your creativity and coordination with this donut slime kit, perfect for crafting unique slime creations. It encourages cognitive development while bringing endless fun to your little one's playtime. Start your own slime ice cream shop with the Ice Cream Slime Kit, storing creations in adorable containers. Unleash your inner slime chef and let the creativity flow. This scented slime kit makes an amazing gift for girls who love artsy fun and DIY adventures. Packed with fluffy slime and cool add-ins, it's a surefire hit for birthdays or any special occasion. What we like? Get ready to whip up some sweet, tactile fun. This kit lets you create delicious-looking slime treats like donuts and ice cream, complete with clay add-ins and delightful scents. If you enjoy imaginative play that mimics baking and love the idea of edible-looking creations, this is the perfect kit for your little chef. What people say. The putty is easy to use and holds its shape well. It's great for small projects and crafts. The putty is non-toxic and safe for children. Number 1. Original Stationery DIY Slime Kit. Dive into a world of scientific wonders with this engaging kit. It's perfect for young minds eager to explore and create. Craft mesmerizing slime that glows in the dark. It's perfect for imaginative play and will captivate for hours. Transform any gathering into an exciting slime-making adventure. This kit adds an enchanting atmosphere and creates lasting memories. Simulate a fizzing volcano and discover science concepts through interactive fun. It's an enjoyable way to inspire creativity and critical thinking. Explore diverse slime recipes like cloud and butter slime. It's an educational and entertaining way to delve into science and art. This kit blends educational STEM experiences with hands-on slime making. It's ideal for aspiring young scientists aged 8 to 12. What we like? Ignite your child's curiosity with this exciting STEM adventure. It focuses on scientific exploration, including a cool volcano simulation and mesmerizing glow-in-the-dark slime. If you're looking for an educational and hands-on activity that makes learning about science fun and visually engaging, this kit is a fantastic choice. What people say. This putty is great for my kids. It is not sticky and does not leave residue on surfaces. The putty is easy to clean up and does not dry out quickly, making it a good value for money. It's a fun and engaging toy that helps develop fine motor skills in children. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.